Good morning. So summertime nga dito. Kaya walang pasok mga bata. So it's been 2 weeks na summer na. Oh, let's go to the car. At last, nakakuha na kami ng activities para sa kanila. So doon sa school nila may summer camp kung saan makakapag-socialize sila sa mga ibang kids. And may mga activities like games. And ano ba yun? Knutsela. Magagawa sila ng mga something doon. So let's hatid na natin sila doon. So buti nga malapit lang yung summer camp. Well actually kung saan sila napasok doon yung summer camp. So napakalapit lang talaga dito sa bahay namin. Pwede namin lakadin kaya lang tinatamad pang maglakad yung mga bata at kagigising lang. So ayan. Punta na nga kami dun sa school nila kung saan yung may summer camp. So na ipasok na natin sa Ayla. Magkaiba pala sila ng entrance ni Ate Macy Goa. Magkaiba yung kanilang age bracket. So medyo nagwo-worry na nga si Macy kasi doon sa side ni Ayla pero maliliit na bata. So kala niya na siya na ang pinakamaglaki doon, yung pala nasa kabilang side pala sila. That makes you happy? That you're gonna be in the other side? With the big people? You want to be with your sister? You like your sister. She's your best friend. Kala mo sila na siyempre magkapatid. Kala mo sila lagi magkaaway pero napakalambing naman niya kay Ayla. Don't be stressed. That's Gravel Pass. That's the Minier. May mascot na. Alright, dito si Macy sa kabilang side. Probably your classmate gonna be here. Okay. Nakita na niyo yung mascot ng kanilang summer camp. Tinatanong ko bakit may mascot. Kasi syempre para mas entertaining sa mga kiddos. Okay, naihatid na natin yung dalawa. So itong pong summer camp na to ay nagkokos ng €8 per day. So ihatid sila before 9 at matatapos sila ng 4 o'clock. So sa dalawang bata ay €16 ang per day nila. So yun lang, para may idea kayo kung magkano ang summer camp dito. Okay, kadadating nga lang namin ng bahay and
I'm not gonna re-explain it.
come on, no, come here. So she went to a summer camp sa Gravel Pass. And how was it? How was it?
Amazing.
You like it?
Even though being the only girl.
And my team is 5 million girls.
There's 5 million girls.
Impossible.
Tuwa sila dun sa kanilang summer camp. Hey, are you gonna go again tomorrow? Or yeah, you want to go back tomorrow?
Yes. I want to be in purple team.
Purple team. And Ate Macy also you want to go tomorrow? Mm-hmm. Yeah, but in the beginning you're sad because you thought there's not gonna be
No
friends. But there is a friend. So
Who?
I don't know. Your teacher, aray ko.
I mean, the teacher is a friend, but I want my kinder friend.
Yeah. All right. So thumbs up. Is the summer camp thumbs up?
Yeah.
Come on, give me a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Oh, Ayla also. Yeah, thumbs up ang summer camp namin. Alright guys. Papahinga muna ako. Thumbs up ang summer camp.
Ayla!
Aray ko. Alright, thumbs up ang summer camp namin. Okay, see you guys later. Bye-bye!
Bye.
6 hours later.
Alright, bye na nga tayo. Galing sa trabaho. At syempre, ang nadatnan ko dito, nagkakasya yung sarili niya sa loob ng bag ko. Oy! Hoy! What are you doing? Tapos ito nga ang aking hapunan. Niluto ni Mami. Wow! Saan ka pa? Ano po yan? Garlic shrimp with cream and mushrooms. Yan. Ingay mo naman eh. No. Ayla. Ayla potato. That bag cannot carry you. You're too heavy already. Ayla potato. You're 5. No, the bag is not that strong. Ayan, hapunan natin. Hapunan ni Daddy. Garlic shrimp with cream and mushrooms and fries. European tayo ngayon. Ate Macy, are you gonna eat with me? Si Ate Macy ba o ikaw? Si Mami, siyempre, pagdating ko, luto na agad. Ay, swerte ko talaga sa asawa ko. Kakain tayo. Siyempre, may kasabay akong maghapunan. Ang aking growing girl.
Of course, I am a grown girl. Why not?
Yan, basta may pagkakataong kumain. Kakain yan. Kahit tinan mo kumain ng hipon yan. Pinoy na Pinoy. Hey, don't swallow the head! Pati ulo, sip-sip yan. Walang aya. Walang kaarte-arte pagkain yan. Sige. Simot lahat yan. Simot lahat.
That's what?
What?
What did you say? The kid has to take a nap before getting kidnapped. What did you say?
But you forget something.
Kid and then nap next is gonna be
Kinder nap.
But
Kidnap.
kidnap. You forget
Kidney
something.
nap.
What did you forget? No, my keys, not the bite. Where's my keys? Not on my shoulder.
Oh,
Aray ko! Kulit-kulit yan.
Where to put the shell?
Ganyan din ba anak nyo ka-excited pag umuwi kayo ng bahay? Alright. Hapunan na kami. Guys!
I don't want to say something.
Hey guys!
Hello. What are you?
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. Gonna say it.
don't forget to like and subscribe and comment.
On our channel!
Yeah, people.
What's the name of our channel? Sirdis!
See this family.
Okay, kain na kami.
Turn it on.
Happy boy.
Yay!
Happy boy.
Hi, Happy Willow Boy.
Hello, cutie. And Patamasa.
No.
Yes, me more.
No, he loves me more. Look, he's looking at me. Anna, don't do that. You're gonna hurt him. Oh, you put the shell here.
Willow is yan. Lagi lang nandiyan yan, pero hindi nangaagaw ng pagkain yan. Huggy. Yakap-yakap na ni Ayla. Hi, is that your dog? Ay, ba't may kasama pang gigil?
I'm the owner of the dog.
I always relied on him.
Anna, don't ride on him.
Yan ang buhay ko dito. Pagdating ko lagi kanina wala ako, nanonood lang yan sila ng YouTube. Tahimik. Pagdating ko, syempre, pa-star na sila kaagad kay Daddy. Kaya ayan, nagtatalo na kaagad. Alright, let's eat. So, yan po yung sauce natin. Very good. May Ayla, be careful. You might get hurt.
Wiener dog. How did you have a hill with someone? Wiener dog. How did you get
Very.
Willow's a wiener dog. He's
Wala akong
stupid.
makatulog na, pinatoothbrush ko na din.
Lasa.
Nakaubos naman siya ng pagkain niya kanina. Tapos pagtingin ko, hindi pa rin pala tulog.
Oh,
Ano ba ginagawa?
why is your lights open?
Sa'yo na silang wala.
Ay, hello. Sumarap ba?
Mm.
Mas sumarap. Dinagdagan ko ng butter.
Kasi walang butter nung kulang sa butter nung lasa.
Tsaka
Sarap.
konting asin at paminta.
I'm trying to take it out with him. He's stronger.
Haha.
Yeah, that's it.
That's why you always look pretty on the video of the...
Of course. Why wouldn't I? It's the best part. It's the best part.
Look like...
I'm haunting the people, the viewers.
Yummy ba?
Yes.
Sarap.
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 Sarap. Is it sarap? Willow! Up!
Hello! Biglang sumingit. Sabi nila, sarap ba?
He's like, oh, can I try some?
Masarap
Sarap
ba?
pala, ha?
Masarap pala, ha?
Oh, it's yummy. Can I try? That's what Willow said. I don't want to show my nasty fingers. I need tissue. Put in sauce. Thank you. Hey, I need more screen time.
No, look at the
She need more screen time daw.
Oh, look at this.
Is it masarap, Macy?
Now look at the big baby.
My sister needs less screen time since she's very
Hindi naman
loud and shit.
malamig.
Oh my god, stop looking at
Pero
me!
di naman masyado hinihina.
Go, go, Willow, win.
Ahem.
You won.
Let's have a conversation.
Mhm.
You're just destiny.
Willow, up. You show how to eat scampi. What did they need
First,
to do with
you get the scampi. You break off the head, and then you suck the head,
Hmm.
and then you get the scampi body. You peel off the shell or
You
whatever
show
it's
it, you
called.
show it to them.
No, my hands are dirty enough.
But of course, if you eat scampi, you need to...
Either you really need to wash your hands with soap, ah.
Yes, I will, Mom.
You need to show them how you eat scampi.
Hmm. How was your day?
Hello?
Mainit.
Aw, poor Mom. She got burned.
Super init pa din.
Init means hot.
Mm-hmm. Macy starting learning Tagalog.
I already know Tagalog.
A little bit.
Okay, that's enough screen time for me.
So, nagsawa na nga magpa-video si Ate Macy. That's enough screen time for me. So guys, kung until now nanonood pa rin kayo, salamat sa pagpanood. This is Sir This Family sa YouTube channel. So, just hit that like button and subscribe para masuportahan ng YouTube channel namin. Ako, ang asawa ko at ang dalawa kong anak, nandito po kami sa Belgium and we're just trying to tell the story of our lives dito sa Belgium. So, salamat po sa pagpanood and see you guys next time.